Imagine, if you will, a world where cushion grip screwdrivers were invented by someone other than Klein. You are about to enter the Vaco Zone. Except that's real, that actually happened. I think it's time we go over one of my favorite underdog electronic repair tool companies, Vaco Tools. To tell the full story, we'll need to go to Chicago in 1938, where two men, Clarence Pettengill and Harry Silverstein, founded the Vaco Products Company. Soon after, George Rock would also join the duo. Rock would take over their second facility in Jonesville, Michigan in 1942. Rock invented their first patented tool, a torque-limiting screwdriver. Vaco's early growth came from government contracts during World War II. In 1945, Vaco merged with Lynn Products, another company which was founded by the same men that made electrical connectors. Silverstein would take on the role of company president in 1953 after the death of Clarence Pettengill. Vaco specialized in tools for the electronics repair industry. They used the trade name Amberil for their acetate handle screwdrivers. They also had the trademarks Vaco Lite for their lower cost line of tools, Paramount, which I hadn't seen before on a tool, Paralite, the light version of Paramount, and Bull Driver, a man-sized driver for a man-sized job. Their main competitor was Xcelite, and Vaco would go head-to-head with them, offering sometimes extremely similar products, like their reversible screwdrivers, the miniature nut drivers. Vaco offered color-coded nut drivers, although they color-coded the shaft while Xcelite did the handle, and even the man-purse-style tool kits. Vaco called theirs the Super Case. Like Xcelite, a lot of Vaco's sales were from government or corporate contracts. Vaco was one of the first to offer a cushion grip screwdriver. You know, the one that everyone thinks was invented by Klein? Vaco didn't invent it either. They actually licensed the patent from Bridgeport Manufacturing. They also offered screw-holding screwdrivers, sometimes referred to as screw starters or screw launchers. In 1957, Vaco introduced their screw slicer feature onto their wire strippers. This design allows you to cut smaller bolts down to length, and is a feature still found on many wire strippers today. The only problem was, somebody else had already invented this back in 1948. That patent was owned by Amp Industries, who promptly took Vaco to court. The court sided with Vaco and threw out Amp's patent under grounds of obviousness, basically saying that an invention can't be patented if it's something obvious or a natural progression of an existing design. And then Vaco went on to patent their own version in 1963. The legal system is weird sometimes. In 1969, Vaco started an interesting ad campaign calling for a tool revolution. I think this was some sort of tongue-in-cheek reference to the hippie counterculture movement. Not sure. For some reason, that blue-painted lady, she kind of scares me a little. Silverstein would semi-retire in 1970, taking on the role of chairman of the board. A man named S.D. Pollack took over as company president. Vaco's headquarters moved from Chicago to Northbrook, Illinois, sometime before 1978. Raymond Silverstein, who I assume was the son of Harry Silverstein, although I couldn't confirm, took over as company president in 1983. Klein Tools bought out Vaco in 1986. Initially, they said there would be no changes made to the company's structure or product line. However, they ran into some issues with the local union in 1988 when they tried to cut employee benefits. I don't know when exactly the Illinois plant closed down, but I imagine it was shortly after. The Jonesville, Michigan plant stayed open until 2008. Allegedly, this plant was also closed due to a strike. Klein would pull out of Illinois entirely in 2012, moving most of their production to Texas. In 2023, Klein resurrected Vaco, somewhat. The tools are imported now, but it's nice to see the brand back. They seem to be positioning Vaco as a lower-cost alternative to Klein. A lot of the new Vaco tools, like this interchangeable nut driver, are very similar to the ones offered by Klein. Of course, the cushion grip screwdrivers are still around, albeit under the Klein branding. This has always been a pet peeve of mine at the flea market, when I'm trying to sell an old Vaco screwdriver, and the guy's like, "I don't want that, that's a knockoff. I want the Klein one." They're the same thing. If anything, the Klein is the knockoff. Whatever. The only remnants of the original Vaco left are the screw-holding screwdrivers, which are surprisingly still branded as Vaco. There's even a bunch of reviews on Amazon where people are complaining that they got a Vaco instead of a Klein. They don't realize that Vaco originated that design. That's one of the reasons I wanted to do this video. Not a lot of people know about Vaco tools. With the brand being resurrected as an import brand, sure, more people will learn about Vaco, but they won't know the history of the... Hello! What the... Don't you want to join the tool revolution? No, now that blue-painted lady is going to be haunting me in my dreams forever. This is what I go through to bring you these videos. Fine. Anyway, as usual, there's a ton of links in the video description. This was one of the more difficult companies to research, since not a lot of the info was publicly available. If anyone has any more information to add to the story, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed for more tool lore videos. The plan is to drop an episode in the series every other Friday. Check out the channel memberships if you want to support the channel directly. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.